Hi students, in the previous chapter survey, we looked at a specific method for bringing in points and figures by the means of survey database. In this new chapter, chapter number 3, we will take a closer look at the multiple ways of creating, modifying and managing Civil 3D points. Most commonly, Civil 3D points are used to identify the location of existing features such as tree and properties corner, topography such as ground shots, or stakeout information such as road geometry points. However, their use is not limited to the data specified here. This chapter will both focus on traditional points use and introduce ideas to apply the dynamic power of point editing, labeling, and grouping to other applications. In this chapter, we will learn the first one, we will learn about import points from a text file using description key matching. The second thing, create a point group. The third one, we will learn about export points to land XML and ASCII format. And the last one, we will also create a point tables in Civil 3D. So first of all, you must need to know about the anatomy of a point. Civil 3D points are very intelligent objects that represent X, Y, and Z location in spaces. Each point has a unique number and potentially a unique name that can be used for additional identification and labeling. Here in this figure you can see it's the label of a point. This one is representing the point number and the other one is our elevation. Here you will see a little marker. So GS is the description of this point. As you know, marker is part of a marker style and text component are the part of point label style. These are two different things related to Civil 3D points. Each Civil 3D points represented graphically using two components, a marker, this one, and a label. Even though we will focus on the style to display these components in next chapters like 18 and 19 chapter maybe, and we will discuss now the basic of these items here. Most of the user are familiar with the representation of the marker as a plus sign and the label in the form of number, elevations and description. The marker representation is defined by an object marker style, while the label is defined by a label style. You can note that even if the Civil 3D point object resides on a specified layer, its marker and label can reside on different layer based on the settings defined for those styles. Because of this, a well-defined set of style is the definition of your template is vital to a functional and productive environment. For more videos on points creation in Civil 3D, stay tuned with us.